for those guys was asking me, hey, how do you trade with Fibonacci? I told you guys already where to find the information about it, but here's some quick little video. Anyways, let's get to the chart. First of all, I looked at the daily time frame. First of all, I'm in Usdjpy chart under daily time frame. You always want to start with daily time frames. Right after that, look at the trend. So right now, Usdjpy is like in a bearish move, so it's a downtrend. Now I'm moving to 4 hours, still looking at downtrend during 4-hour time frame, and then saw it kind of bounce back to one of the support and resistance I had it marked before, but anyway, so it looked like it's gonna retrace, kind of come up a little bit. Usually my area where I was gonna put a trade in is between 51 to 61 in Fibonacci. Alright, so I'll come down, I look a little opportunity. Right after that, I grabbed information about 1 hour time frame, kind of got to the close right here where it hit the 50% mark on Fibonacci. So I drew using a Fibonacci retracement in trading view, went from high to low, dropped it, and hit me with this whole information. Look, I'm gonna show it to you real quick. So you go to your Fibonacci retracement tool from high to low, high to your low, boom, right there. Oops, right there, right. This is a little area I usually, put a trade in. Usually I get in the middle first. Kind of got a little hyped. So when my boy had just say, hey, put a place to trade. Let's see what it looked like. All right, I did. So kind of had a little drawdown right there, about 5%. Place to trade around 12.15 at 0.067. I'm just looking for 15 to 20 pips. That's how I trade at, small pips, 15 to 20. That's all you need, You get in, you get out. Get your money. Next will be like come down to 15-minute chart. I look for the entry. So the little spot right here just hit the 51 mark. You see, I will wait around this area right here. So I kind of guessed it, but I usually don't guess. It's just I trade with probability. That's how I was taught. Anyways, I should have put a place trade between the 51 to 61% of Fibonacci. Next thing you know, look, had a little drawdown. All right, so you see around 12:15, I placed the trade, or 12 o'clock. I usually don't trade just this kind of time around. I trade during London session and New York session because it's that high volatility time. Anyway, so far so good. Came back down, bounce up. Looks like it's gonna hit the 51. All right, and that's all it. Just wait till the pips come through you. Bam. You always want to trade with your risk management. So in trading view, you can just place it here, move around your stop loss and your take profit. Yeah, I'll play around with my risk management right now. Everyone has different risk management. It can never be the same. I always place a trade and calculate mine at 2% risk management. That's all I can, risk per trade. You go to babypips.com. They have the positioning calculator. It's really good. So, yeah. And this is a little short clip for you guys. If you want to learn about Fibonacci, let me know. DM me at Instagram or Facebook. Holla. All right. It's August 20th. About 12:30 a.m. 12:30 p.m. It's been 24 hours since I put this trade in there. I usually don't like trading this long or holding my trade this long. I like to get in, get out. But for showing purposes and educational purposes, here we go. So right now we're looking at 4-hour time frame on Usdjpy. Still look like a bearish move. All right, let's dive into 15-minute chart. As you can see, closed out my trade, hit my take profit. Yeah, I missed the opportunity to adjust my take profit. What I meant by adjusting is that I take partial profit. Took half of it, and then we're supposed to take half of it and keep rolling to your TP2, your take profit 2. But yeah, I forgot to set my alarm on trading view. And this is why I love trading view. You can set alarms or how your value. Like let's say you want a certain price that, you know, once the bar is closed, or once your candlestick is closed and it passed or crossing that value, it will send an alarm. It will send a notification to your email, to your phone, and to your website. And it had this one annoying alarm that I have, so it kind of catch me really good, especially when I'm listening to music, making videos. You know, I can catch that notification. But anyways, if I would adjust it, I would have hit take profit 2, got more profit of it. But you know, I don't like to be greedy. Learn my lesson to that. Don't be greedy, guys. Stick with your plan. Stick with your rules. Yeah. So USDJPY trade is closed. 15 pips. You know, that's all I need. I'm always looking for only 15 to 20. You know, quick trade. But this one, it wasn't a quick one. It's 24 hour, one day. Yeah. If you want to learn more how to trade in Forex, how to use TradingView, how to use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. If you want to get into algorithm trading, let me know. All right. I'm working on my own automatic algorithm trading expert advisor right now. And it's been 6 weeks doing tweak and peek on demo version. Looking good right now. And hopefully to finish that by the end of this year, you know, and release that in the market. Anyways, if you want to trade with signals, go to MQL, just look for PEBENITO or my signals. Just holler at me so I can, you know, shoot you the information. So you can subscribe. It's not that much. So basically, signal providers provide signals to you guys, and you don't have to touch anything. All you gotta do is watch. Anyways, but if you want to learn about manual trading, I love manual trading. It gets me pumped. And I can tell you also, you know, my experience in trading with Forex. I also trade with stocks, assets, options, and cryptos. But I'm really big with Forex. Forex it's a fun place. It's a fun, very fun. Anyways, it's just fun. I love it. You know, I learned my lessons. I had my experience, my losses. I lost really big last time. Now I learned my lesson, and I'm one profitable trader now. I can call myself profitable. It's been 6 months since I started, but if you want to learn about it, took me about 2-3 months to get educated. Yeah. So if you want to learn more about Forex and or you're interested on trading with Forex, come let me know. Message me on Instagram, Dino_did_what, or with my Facebook, Dino PEBENITO. Just shoot me a message. Or if you got any questions about this trade, let me know. All right. So just hit and subscribe on my YouTube channel. If you want to get notified, hit that red bell button on YouTube, and you get notified on the recent uploading videos I have about Forex. So if you have further ado, holla at you later. It's Thursday. Got more work to do, but holla.